Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do exercise 4.1. In the previous classes we have discussed about the introduction to lines and angles. Okay, how many types of lines are there and how many types of angles are there. Let us start with exercise. So here in exercise 4.1 you can see in the given figure name any 6 points. Means you have to find out the 6 points. So what are the 6 points? You can see A, B, C, D, right? P, here P is there, right? P, Q, M, N. So all these are nothing but points. So simply you just need to write here A, B, C, D, P, Q, M, N, etc. like that. Okay. Next, any 5 line segments. So here you can see the line segments in the figure. Okay, what are the line segments? A to X, right? X to M. So AX, XM, MP, PB, MN, right? PQ, AB. So these are nothing but line segments. So small lines. All these you can write AX, XM, MP, PB, right? MN, PQ, CD, YN. So these are all nothing but line segments. Next is any 4 rays. Okay, any 4 rays. So here you can see ray is nothing but what it will show you the direction, right? So here the ray is nothing but MA, because here it is showing the direction in this way, right? So MA, right? PA, PB, right? And NC, QD. So these are nothing but rays. Okay, any 4 lines. So any 4 lines means what are the lines here? You can see MA 1 line, PA 1 line, PB 1 line, NC 1 line, right? QD 1 line. So these are all nothing but lines. Any 4 collinear points. Collinear points nothing but which is lying on the same line, right? So here you can see A, X, M, P, B. These are nothing but collinear points on the line A to B. Okay. Here what are the collinear points? C, Y, N, Q, D on the line segment C, D. Okay. So this is your first question. Any 5, 6 points, any 5 line segments, any 4 rays, any 4 lines. Let us write here. So your first answer is 1. First is 1. What is the first one? Any 6 points. So what are the 6 points? Just now as we discussed already, A, B, C, D, P, Q, M, N, etc. Okay. The second is nothing but any 5 line segments. So your line segments are A, X, X, M, like this you have to write. Okay. M, P, P, B, M, N, and so on. Okay. Any 4 rays, right? So M, A, right? P, A, P, B, N, C, Q, D, and so on. Next is any 4 lines, right? Any 4 lines means M, A, just now as we discussed, P, A, P, B, right? N, C, Q, D. Okay, right? Next is what? 4 collinear points. Any 4 collinear points means A, X, M, P, B on AB, right? So this is your first answer. Now see the next question, question number 2. So in question number 2 you can see, observe the following figures and identify the types of angles in them. So in this picture you see it is nothing but a clock. Okay, in clock what is the direction? What is the angle? It is more than 180 degrees, right? If it is more than 180 degrees, what is the angle? This is nothing but reflex angle, right? Which type of angle? Reflex angle, right? Next, you here in this picture, in this figure B, you can see this is nothing but a right angle, 90 degrees. So this is nothing but a right angle. In picture C you can see all these are nothing but less than 90 degrees. So this is nothing but your acute angle. Okay. Next, see the third question. In third question, state whether the following statement is true or false. A ray has no end point. The ray has end point or not? So it has end point. The ray will has end point. So this statement is nothing but false. Okay, next, line AB is the same as line BA, right? This is true, right? A ray AB is same as the ray BA. This is false because it will, the ray will have direction, right? So this is not true. A line has a definite length. A line has a definite length. No. So it is infinite. So this is also false. Next, a plane has length and breadth but no thickness. This is true, correct. Next, two distinct points always determine a unique line. Okay, two distinct points always determine a unique line. Yes, this is true, right? So this is also true. Two lines intersect in 2 points. Two lines may intersect in 2 points. This is false because it can intersect at 1 point only, right? Two intersecting lines cannot be both be parallel to the same line, right? This is true because they are intersecting, right? So they cannot be parallel, right? So this is nothing but your third bit. Let us move to the last question. What is the angle between two hands of a clock when the time in the clock is 9 o'clock? So at 9 o'clock, simply how will be the clock will be? You can see this clock and you can think 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock, what will be the angle? At 9 o'clock, it will be 90 degrees, right? So at 9 o'clock, if I am drawing like this, so this will, what will be the angle at that time? It will be a, what will be the answer? First one, it will be 90 degrees. At 6 o'clock, you can see at 6 o'clock, what will be the answer at 6 o'clock? The angle will be, you can see the straight line, right? The circle is dividing two lines, so this will be what? 180 degrees, right? At 7 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, you can see it will be more than 180 degrees, yes or no? So here at 7 o'clock, for 7 o'clock, how we can solve is, when the angle, when the clock will be at 7 o'clock, suppose this is your clock, okay? So this is at 7, right? So here, what will be the hands? Where will the hands? How many hands will be there? 7, right? At 7 o'clock, we need to find. So 7 into 30. 7 into 30 will be what? 7 3 is 21. So the angle will be 210. Okay, at 7 o'clock, the angle will be 210. At 9 o'clock, the angle will be 90 degrees. At 6 o'clock, the angle will be 180 degrees. And at 7 p.m., the angle will be 210 degrees. So this is nothing but your exercise 4.1.